Wow, that's a long one. Listen, it's not changing tones. Hear it? You can hear that, right? Huh. You think it's broke or something?
Maybe we are being attacked by China.
Giant CCP! CCP in town!
The missile's on its way to Sunny Point.
Oh my gosh. I swear I say that all the time. Like every freaking missile of our enemies out there have their missiles pointed right here at like freaking 7 miles away. And literally it's closer than 7 miles. That's 7 miles by like the road. Like we could just cut in a beeline and we're there in no time.
Is the crow flies?
Is that, oh yeah, the term? Is that what that means? As the crow flies?
Straight line?
I didn't wait. I have to think about that. As the crow flies. So crows fly in a straight line. They don't do the flutter like this. Is that the fire company doing that? It is, right?
No, that's those warning signal things.
So is that coming
They're
from
just gonna
Sunny Point?
test probably.
Yeah, but don't the fire stations have to run the siren for them?
Nah, didn't you ever see those big giant speaker things?
Where are they? Where are they located?
There's one down there.
Huh.
I think there's another one up on the other end.
If it was closer, I'd be like, let's ride the bikes to the
Those are
sound.
the emergency sirens.
Oh, they're still going. Gotta mostly got rid of most of the powdery mildew. Whoa! Whoa! Did you see that?
Whoa.
You didn't see that.
The wasp?
Yeah. He was gonna land on me. Don't be talking shit about my Halloween rest in peace. Listen, I've got a cat buried and some birdies buried. That's for them. That is just my fall display. Oh, here we go. Oh, we got workers over there. Hello.